Hey, yo, what's going on, everyone? It's V8. I just finished up this install of the new governor pressure sensor and solenoid in the transmission of my 5.2 Limited, heavily modified. And I just want to give you a quick overview of what I did. So the sensor and solenoid are in the valve body. So you have to drop the pan, and because of the long tubes I couldn't completely pull the pan out, so I had to do some crazy maneuvers to get that valve body out, but I finally did last night late. So I buttoned it back up, put fresh transmission fluid in there, 3 quarts, and I got brand new bolts for the headers where they meet the Y pipe. It looks great and ready to roll. All you haters praying on my downfall, today is not your day, because I just won really hard. By doing this myself, I've probably saved $500 or $600. Now, I don't recommend you do this yourself if you're a rookie. This is only for knowledgeable experts. But yeah, I'm really happy, and glad I didn't go to a shop. Would have gotten ripped off. I'll leave that to you guys though. About to start it up, go for a nice cruise, floor it, and hopefully it shifts at redline from first to second. That was the whole point of this whole thing. Oh yeah, man, we're back. About to hit the streets harder than ever. Peace.